Welcome to the Paramount Hotel Tour. We are so glad to have you along today and to show you one of your options if you are planning to stay in Dubai. Now, Dubai has two main areas that are great for tourists to stay. The first one is by the Palm, and give or take, it's about 30 minutes from the downtown area. We like to hotel hop and experience as many hotels as we can without exhausting ourselves.
The Paramount Hotel is within sight of the Burj Khalifa and the world's largest mall. However, you'd have to drive. Uber is readily accessible in this area, at least at the time of this video recording.
Housekeeping! Let me fluff your pillow. Come on in. Welcome to the Paramount Hotel, where the world is your stage. We're in the stage room. We're literally watching the most amazing view here of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, and we're about ready to go to a speakeasy and experience some really amazing Hollywood splendor in the Middle East. Johnny English in my mirror?
This hotel is brand new. It opened in 2019. The room that we stayed in varies in cost tremendously depending on when you go and what else is going on in Dubai at the time. We ended up staying for free. And if you'd like to stay for free, sign up for hotels.com with the link below. And you end up getting a free night for every 10 nights that you book.
Oh, it's a nice one. And I get to have New York body moisturizer. So
make sure you're stage ready.
This is the Mullen Plus Goatees. This will be fun. Gotta hydrate, you know? Gotta hydrate. This, you know, it's somewhat of a dry climate. It's the best body lotion
Oh, no,
it has to offer.
Coming at me.
See?
Wow,
I want to make sure I'm
it
hydrated
smells
because I'm
great.
feeling a little dry.
I actually need a little of this.
So, and now we're good to go. We can go out into the desert climate and we're good to go. See, my arms won't dry up.
That's great. You do have to be at least mildly to moderately vain at minimum to be comfortable in this room, because otherwise you're like, ah. There's just so many mirrors. It's like mirror number 4. This is like a trick question because it's also with the door. Mirror number 5 is the main event. Mirror number 6 for the close-up. So I'm not quite sure if this is 1 mirror or 4 mirrors, but either way.
Hey, look at that.
Stuck.
Got stuck.
Look, dress me up. Quiet on set. Guys, there's so much to learn about this place. I'm just gonna spend the next 20 to 45 minutes reading every detail. People who get their doctorate take studying very seriously, so it's a good way to pass the time. I like how they have instructions for how to use the console on the wall. Here's all the amenities. They've got excursions, extra bed, flower arrangements, personal dining, photocopies. I saw some people getting a photo shoot, some guests here earlier. In here, I've been looking at hotels with pillow menus recently, so got me inspired. Pillows in there.
Look at this.
I always love these about nice hotels. They give you postcards, because as if postcards are still relevant.
Babe, this place has surround sound. There's music in the sky.
They literally framed the Burj Khalifa perfectly here. Look, another mirror.
There's only 15 rooms on this entire floor. Like, that speaks of exclusivity. And while we're walking the elevator, we get to look at ourselves with the starlight.
This place reminds me of Jones on 3rd in LA. Can you throw a wrench in it?
This probably speaks to the working culture of Hollywood. So a lot of the meetings that are happening over lunch or dinner, and that's how stuff gets made.
at Jones on 3rd in Studio City.
Exactly. No work actually gets done in the office. All the work happens over food. Oh, look at that. Poached egg, beetroot, guacamole, hummus, edamame. Yes, please. Very nice. This is exactly what you would get in LA.
The pros were that it's an immersive experience. You feel like you're back in Hollywood's golden era. LA is where we've both spent most of our adult life, and so to be there and experience how other cultures tried to interpret the California vibe was so fun. It has many restaurants and live entertainment.
Who the heck even knew there are so many kinds of dates? I love it, and I'm trying them all.
It's got some fun little hangout areas, and it has a cinema because the hotel is built by a movie company or production company. So that's a treat.
The cons, as Jeremy mentioned, we can't walk really to anything.
The hotel opened up and then it closed immediately during the pandemic. And so it's, finding its footing in its first full year. It was an expensive room. They were so busy with the Ferraris coming in, they lost our bags. I had to go get my bags myself. 4.5 hours later, I asked 3 times and these never brought them up. They were in the storage room, long-term storage. So that was unfortunate. There were way more important people there than me. So I felt that we encountered several misunderstandings, I think. And this is just maybe more common in Dubai with the workforce, the Indian and Pakistan workforce. So hopefully you get some people that speak good English or speak good whatever your language may be, and you don't have any misunderstandings. For us, there was a handful because of that language barrier.
I'm ready. It's all the best travel bloggers tonight. This is the chocolate lab. Whoa, does that look good?
Come on in.
Welcome to the Speakeasy.
Missing forevermore. You are all I am for, all I worship and adore. And in other words, please be true. I'm so young and oh yeah, I hope he's proud, he's proud. I hope he's proud of me, I say. Oh, I just hope he's proud.
I would just put my information in. Okay. So we just came from the Speakeasy. He had me put in my own information on the iPad, which I probably shouldn't have done if his boss was watching. But what I saw were all these special little buttons that the staff can push to find out if I'm a low spender or if I'm blacklisted or if I'm a high spender or if I'm a resident. So it was really funny. I'm like, which one should I push? Okay,
High spender. We finished out the night watching the movie that we bought and streamed to the TV because we had to watch it because we were within sight of the Burj Khalifa, and how could you be within sight of the Burj Khalifa and not watch Mission Impossible Ghost Recon?
We appreciate you, and we love to help you get the best experience possible out of your travels by sharing our own, and hopefully you can learn and be inspired to see more of the world as well. It would really mean the world to us if you subscribe so that we can continue to travel together and experience all the world has to offer.
You guys are just trying to fit in.
Need to get stung by some more bees.
Don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when the next video comes out.